To make a facility access reservation, please visit crwregistration.ecu.edu. Once you are in our member portal, you will go to the top right-hand corner and click Login. At that time, you will log in with your Powered ID or your local account you created as a CRW member. Once logged in, please visit Facility Access Reservation icon. Once in the icon, you will see all the reservations available. Please note, at this time, the only indoor access point is the indoor pool. All other indoor recreation activities are still closed until further notice. Once in the Access Reservation portal, you will choose either a 25-yard lap lane or a 20-yard lap lane. Once in the portal, you will click on the time frame in which you would like to register for. Once you register, please note that we do ask that you download the ECU CRW app for contactless entry. All masks must be worn until entry into the water and upon exiting the water. And please come dressed to swim, as locker room usage will be very limited. Pool equipment will be very limited as well. You must exit the facility at the conclusion of your session or your workout, whichever comes first. Please note that all facility reservations can be made at least one day in advance. You will add to cart. Once you add your reservation to the cart, you will click on Checkout. Once you check out, you will get an email confirmation stating your date and time of your reservation. Please note, there is no charge to sign up for a facility access reservation. You must complete your daily health screening prior to your arrival. You may arrive no sooner than 10 minutes before your scheduled appointment. Failure to show up for an appointment may result in loss of facility access. You are not required to arrive at your appointment start time, but you must leave before the end of your time block, regardless of your arrival time.